Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the best faucet website. You can claim your Bitcoin faucet from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, with that website you need to Faucet Pay. If you have Faucet Pay, you can claim your free BTC from this website. If you don't have link in description, click the link and come here, register yourself. Okay, go to deposit, copy your Bitcoin wallet address and come here and paste it. Okay, this is your Bitcoin wallet address, copy and come here and paste it and just click get reward. Just solve this little capture. This is two capture, this is the one, this is the next one. You can choose your favorite capture. I choose recapture. Recapture is a little bit good. Okay, you can choose solve this little capture too and wait 3 seconds. After 3 seconds you can click claim now. You can claim your free Satoshi to your account. Okay, right now this one pay me 1 Satoshi. Okay, every 5 minutes this website pay me. Okay, because of Bitcoin prices right now is very high. If the Bitcoin price come down, this website pay me much more. You can see this website pay me 1 Satoshi. If the Bitcoin price come down, this website pay me much more. If I go to watch the Bitcoin price, the highest price right now this much. This is very highest price in Bitcoin. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.